Hey guys, good morning, it's Tony. This isn't really going to be a TA video or anything like that. It's more for people that are actually holding Luna right now. I want to tell you guys to not freak out. Because that's exactly what I did today when I saw my KuCoin with my balance being like, with the balance of my Luna position being completely removed, right? Um, they're actually upgrading everything. All the upgrades are happening today, so they had to remove the trades for the day. And I'm pretty sure more than likely Luna and everything else is going to be on all exchanges, put back into your wallet as maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know what the ETA is on this upgrade on the fork for Luna, from Luna to Luna C, and then Luna the new Terra 2, and then also the airdrop for Terra 2 that we're supposed to get if we're still holding Luna, right? So we'll see what happens. We'll see what's going on. But yeah, nobody freak out. They're just upgrading the wallets, and they just removed trading for today, and that's why it's not showing up on KuCoin. Maybe you can't do this on Binance. I don't know, but I actually had a Patreon member let me know that this is happening on CDC. It's also happening on here on KuCoin, which is where I have my Luna position, and also I gotta assume this is happening everywhere else today. So don't freak out. It's just regular. We'll see what happens in the next 24 hours or so. We'll come back and we'll kind of go from there. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.